What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Folks, I was on the road all morning today visiting hospitals and saying hi to some of y'all out there in Texas. It's been a fantastic day. And what's even more exciting is when I get back home and I see that there's all these new jobs posted on bmedwork.com. So guys, I want to make a weekly announcement of all the latest jobs. Let's go through it. Let's see what's available out there. And guys, if you're posting jobs, we do it for free, guys. Let's do it for free. Come to bmedwork.com, sign up to be an employer, post a job for free. You can do either 1099 contract or you can do W-2. It's up to you. And if you're looking for work, bmedwork.com, sign yourself up. Maybe you want to make some money on the side as a 1099. This is the place to do it. So guys, let's take a moment and check out the latest jobs that we have up here. So I have a Biomed 1 for iMed Biomedical out of Fort Worth, Texas. Fort Worth, a beautiful area, probably one of the most beautiful areas in all of Texas. And they're looking for a Biomed 1. You're looking for an opportunity and you live in the United States, I would highly consider the great state of Texas. And Fort Worth, Texas is just the epitome of Texas. It's beautiful. Yeah, all right, guys? No state income tax either. That's a big plus. All right, we're also looking for a Biomed 2 in Andover, Massachusetts with agility. That's going to be a pretty good, I've been up to Andover. Man, if you like seafood and you love, that nice, crisp, cool air, man, Massachusetts is such a beautiful place and a lot of history too. I love Massachusetts. I've been up there a couple times. Hopefully I get to go back up to Boston again soon. Awesome opportunity right there, Biomed 2. I have a senior level imaging specialist. All right, and they're also considering level 2 and level 3s. And that's out of North Richland Hills, Texas. That's with Newell Recruiting. Guys, that is fantastic. An imaging specialist, senior level imaging specialist. Again, you want to be a 1099 or W-2, get out there and make that money, guys. We also have a biomed technician in Reading, Pennsylvania. And that is with Crothall, or now Intellis. Congrats, guys. And we also have a Biomed 1 out of Beverly, Massachusetts. Again, Massachusetts, there's so many jobs up there in New England, guys. It's a phenomenal place. And I've also got a position still open for Buffalo Grove, Illinois. That's with Terrain Biomedical. And that's going to be a good one as well. I just heard, I think it was in Indianapolis, around that area, that they're also looking for a technician. But that's a posting that's hopefully coming soon. Guys, there are so many jobs out there. Let's sign up and let's do this, all right? Just click on the link. If you're already signed up as a candidate, you already have your information posted, including your resume. You can click on a job and apply nice and easily. You'll send your resume over to the employer and get it done, all right? If you guys notice or have any suggestions for improvements to the website, let me know. I'm working on a bunch of things, all right? I've got a web developer who is very readily working on things. I've got a laundry list of stuff that I would love to make. This is going to be the best website for jobs on the internet. Biomed jobs, that is. All right. So if you guys are looking to advertise jobs, go ahead and reach out, sign up here. I'm going to be doing a weekly announcement of the jobs. And guys, this is one of the largest networks of clinical engineering professionals in the world. We're reaching out to tens of thousands of people. And guys, let's get some people hired and let's get these positions filled. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're interested in these positions. If you are, click on them, sign up to be either an employer or a candidate.